And Hazrat Lays bin Saeed said that Muhammad bin Ibrahim has reported from Hazrat Usaid bin Hudayr radiyallahu anhu. He was reciting the chapter Al-Baqarah at night, and his horse fastened nearby there started fidgeting. So he observed silence, and the horse became calm as well. He started reciting a second time, and the horse started fidgeting again. So he again observed silence, and the horse also got calm. When he started reciting a third time, the horse again started fidgeting. So he then stopped reciting, for his son Yahya was quite near the horse, asleep. So he got frightened lest the horse should trample him to death. When he had taken his son aside, he cast his glance at the sky, but it was not visible then. In the morning, he related this incident to the Prophet ﷺ, whereupon he ﷺ said, O Ibn Hudayr, recite. O Ibn Hudayr, recite. He submitted, O Allah's Apostle ﷺ, I got frightened lest it should trample Yahya, who was asleep beside it. So I raised my head towards the sky, went close to him, took him aside. Then I cast my glance at the sky. I behold a canopy-like thing, inside which some lamp-like things were sparkling. So when I came out, nothing was visible. He ﷺ said, Do you know what thing that was? He replied in the negative. He ﷺ said, They were angels who were coming close to your voice. Had you kept on reciting, they would have stayed till the morning, and the people would have clearly witnessed them, and they, the angels, could not remain hidden from them. Hazrat Ibn al-Had said, Abdullah bin Khawab from Abu Sa'id Khudri from Usaid bin Hudayr narrated me this hadith. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 5018.